Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I want to share with you a very easy solution to sign a PDF document without the use of Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. You see guys, at one point or the next, whether in this lifetime or the next, you will need to sign a PDF document. And Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader are two of the most popular applications out there that you can find to sign a document. But what if you simply don't have any of these applications? And this is the reason why in today's video, I want to share with you a very easy and practical solution. You see guys, I've taken a picture of my signature right here on this mobile. And the goal is to upload my own personal signature on this document. Or let's say to sign this PDF document with my own signature, right? And this is where we will start. So what you will first need to do is to take a clean sheet of paper. You can simply take one of those papers from your printer and simply write your signature. Let's start by doing that. Then you need to take a picture of your signature. So once this is done, let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Now guys, the first thing that you want to do is upload that picture of your signature from your mobile phone to your computer. And I've gone ahead and done so. So here is the picture that I've taken. And as you can see, I have done so by written my signature on a plain white sheet. You would want to do the same, right? Now I have a test PDF document which I'll use for the sake of this tutorial. And this is just a document that will require my signature, right? And we will go ahead and show you how to simply do that. Now, you have your signature like this, and you simply cannot upload the signature like this. Now, the first thing we will do is to remove it so that we can have a transparent background. And to simply do that, you want to head over to this website here by the name of RemoveBG, and I will put this in the description of this video. So remove.bg. Now, once you do so, you simply want to drag or upload this signature onto this web page. So you watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to simply drag this onto the website, and this is going to give me a transparent background of my document, of my signature here, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and download this, and what I'm going to do now is simply open up that signature. Now you can see that you almost cannot see the signature, but I want to make this a little bit smaller. So I'm going to simply edit this image, and then I'm going to simply resize it a bit so that it's not so big and easy to fit within the document very easily, right? So let's say it's like that, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to just simply modify this to give it a name. So I'll just enter sig, right? Or sign, something like that, and go ahead and save this document, right? Now, once I've done so, you want to head over to this website now by the name of I Love PDF. And here under tools, from the menu bar, you will see that you can sign a PDF document. So you simply want to click sign. Then you want to select the PDF document, and I'm going to go ahead and open that test PDF document that I have here. Now, once you do this, you can choose if you want to sign it with several people, but for the sake of this video, I will choose only me. Then you can go ahead and you can either write your signature, right? You can simply type your name and your initial. Or you can just do like an initial just like this and choose the color. Or you can use the company stamp, which is our original signature that we have signed, and we will simply upload that here. Now to do this, you can either drag or drop it. You can easily find that signature on your computer. Now here is my signature. Now you need to fill in your full name and your initial, right? So I'm going to create a name here. So I'll just write Peter Parker and just write PP as a initial, right? That's not my real name, by the way, but I'm just creating that for the sake of this tutorial, right? Now once you do that, you simply click apply, and now you want to find where you want to fill that signature. Now what you want to do is simply add your signature here, and you want to add another option, right? Another field option, which will be our signature. Now you can either use this specific text just like this, right? Or you can modify the text and simply choose a different font. It's totally up to you guys. It's totally up to you. Let's say I will choose, let's use this text, for example, just for the sake of this tutorial, right? And I will apply. Then I will go ahead and I will just drag this onto the document and I will simply adjust it so that it fits very nicely. And then I will simply find my signature, which I have here, which is the original one that I have done, and I will simply place it on the line here. And I will simply adjust it to the way I want, right? Now let's say I'm satisfied. All I need to do now is simply click sign here, and this will easily sign the document for me. Now if you give it a couple of seconds, this will easily download the file. You don't have to click download file here, but in case that doesn't happen, you can simply click the download file button here and that will easily download the file. Now if I go back to my downloads folder here, guys, and open up this new file that has downloaded, you can see here, let me drag this over so that you can see the document. You can now see that my signature is there and my document is fully signed. And there you have it, guys. That's how easy it is to sign a PDF document with your own signature without the use of Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video. And if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And if you've seen this channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week just like this one. See you next time.